Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruvia. If you guys are seeing my face for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay guys, so today I'm going to share something really important for the people who have marks on their arms. Okay, so I have uploaded a video long back, like maybe a year or two, that I used to have a lot of marks, and in that video I just showed a quick makeup hack to remove those marks while you are wearing sleeveless. But naturally, how to remove those marks, it took me more than years to figure out, and finally you can see my marks are removed. Yes, there are no marks at all. Yes, thode you can see, but it will take time, but it is totally removed. Yes, you can see there are no marks at all. Even here there are no marks. Okay, so मैंने बहुत कुछ try कर लिया, like home remedies, DIY, many creams and a lot, like a lot of things. बेकिंग सोडा ट्राई कर लिया, लेमन वाटर ट्राई कर लिया, ये वो सब ट्राई कर लिया, बट समथिंग विच इज कन्वीनियंट, बजट फ्रेंडली, प्लस गिव रिजल्ट्स, I have found out. Yay! Okay, so the simple trick over here is to be consistent and to be patient. Yes, you have to keep patience. Like a lot of patience you need to do. It's like कर्म करते जा फल की चिंता मत कर. It's something like that. Yes. Okay, so what I did is while taking bath, I used to scrub every single day my arms. Like arms ही नहीं कर रही थी मैं. I used to scrub my whole body every single day. Like I used to have strawberry legs. Like I still have strawberry legs, but it is almost lessened now. That's due to scrubbing my body. Yes, scrubbing is not good for every day, but if you have marks and all those stuffs, I would recommend starting में रोज scrub करो. If not रोज, every alternate day, that is 4 days a week. Yes, just scrub and it will go. Trust me. Yes, it's a natural process. Just scrub your body every single day while you take bath. And after taking bath, don't forget to apply moisturizer. Moisturizer is important because while you scrub your body, it will make your skin dry and your pores open. So to seal them, you need to moisturize your body. So now what recommendations I'll give for scrubbing? Yes, for scrubbing I used to use any random scrub. उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Important part is do scrub. Yes, so पहले I used to use this Kenyan Co White Musk Scrub. ये वाला एक स्क्रब था जो पूरा मतलब इट इज़ टोटली ओवर. एंड देन बीच में मैंने और एक स्क्रब का बॉटल जो भी ब्यूटी शॉप से लोकल लेके आई थी वो किया. एंड देन नाउ आई एम यूजिंग इज दिस M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. I have seen a lot of YouTubers using this, so I bought this and this is pretty well, like really amazing. And this is not sponsored by M Caffeine, so nahi. And yes, I have used half of the bottle and it is working good. So if you want recommendations, just go to beauty shop, take any body scrub. And okay, now you'll ask how to apply body scrub. So there are two types of body scrub. One which are already in liquid form. What you have to do is just take the scrub and apply on your body and rub it. It's a simple process. But second thing is that if you buy powder wala scrub, what you have to do is just wet your body and take that scrub on your palms and then just rub it and you are ready. Yes, that's all. It's a simple process. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes extra of yours while taking bath, but those 2-3 minutes are really worth if you really want to remove your marks. Yes, so start from tomorrow itself. It's really important. Just start it. Okay, and if you ask me, I would recommend this, but it is little expensive, but yes, less expensive than your medicine. So if you want results and if you can afford, just go for this M Caffeine Coffee Scrub, or else you can go for any random scrub whichever you like and which is affordable for you. You can just go and it will give you results. Trust me. The point over here is to be consistent and be patient. That's it. So just repeat the process every single day while you take bath, and one day you'll notice that yes, your marks are gone. वो रोज़ रोज़ हम लोग देखते हैं मिरर में, वी कांट नोटिस दैट थिंग, बट eventually you will start noticing the difference. Yes, that was. And in case if you want to see results, what you can do is click a picture while you start scrubbing, like before you start scrubbing, and after 1 month click again a picture, so you can see the difference 1 month में कितना difference आया. And if you see the results, definitely it's a thumbs up. Okay, and don't forget to share pictures with me if you see results on my Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, just go and follow. What are you guys doing? Okay, that was all for today. Bye bye, see you in next video.